Good morning, dear students. Today I will give you exercise from lesson 12. Lesson 12, friction. MCQ. First one is the MCQ. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, 7, 8, 9, 10. First MCQ is the first one is the multiple choice questions. Put the mark against the correct choice. First one is the force called into play when two bodies in contact with one another slide relative to each other is the frictional force. First one is the frictional force. Frictional force. Second one is the a car is heading towards southeast. The force of friction act on the car is towards the northwest. Third, there are three surfaces, one being glass and second wood and third sand. The increasing order of friction of the surfaces is glass, wood and sand. Glass, wood and sand. Fourth one, the decreasing order of static rolling and dynamic friction is static, dynamic and rolling. Static, dynamic and rolling. A cubical body has surfaces 5 cm square, 20 cm square and 10 cm square. Its weight 5 newtons. The body is pulled by a spring balance so as to find force of friction. The force of friction will be maximum with all the surfaces. A force which acts at the surface of contact of two bodies when one body tends to move or moves upon the another body is a force which acts at a surface of contact of two bodies when one body tends to move or moves upon the another body is known as frictional force. Frictional force. Force of friction always opposes the motion of the body and tries to stop the body. Eighth one, a material which reduces the force of friction is called lubricants. The maximum force required to make one body just to slide over another body is known as limiting friction. Next one, the force of friction called into play which does not allow bodies to slide upon one another is known as static friction. Static friction. Static friction. Static friction. Now come to the second one is the fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. First one is the friction always acts in the direction opposite to the direction of the applied force. Second one is the static friction is a self-adjusting force. Static friction is the self-adjusting force. Friction is very useful as it helps in the movement of bodies. Sliding friction is 10 times greater than the rolling friction. Boats and aeroplanes are streamlined. So first one you can see that frictional force in MCQ. Second one northwest. Third one glass, wood and sand. Fourth one static, dynamic and rolling. All the surfaces. Frictional force opposes the motion of the body and tries to stop the body. Lubricant. Eighth one is the lubricants, limiting friction, static friction. Fill in the blanks. First one opposite, second one is the static, third one is the movement, fourth one is the sliding, and fifth one is the streamlined. And now come to the statements. Now come to the third one is the statements. First one, sliding friction is slightly less than limiting friction. In place of more you will write less. Second, conveyor belts are made in order to increase friction. Third one, the friction between two surfaces the friction between two surfaces increases with the increases in the weight of a body. Increase in the weight of a body. The friction offered by the wheels is called rolling friction. Rolling friction, the friction is independent in area of contact at the two surfaces. In a statement, first one, sliding friction is slightly less than limiting friction. Conveyor belts are made in order to increase friction, and the friction between two surfaces increases with the increase in the weight of a body. The friction offered by the wheels is called rolling friction. Friction is independent in area of contact at two surfaces. And now come to the match the following. Match the following. First one, the opposing force called into play when two surfaces in contact with each other slide related to one another, that is the friction. Second, the friction experienced when a body is made to move over rollers, rolling friction. Third one, the friction called into play when two bodies in contact with each other do not move on the application of force, static friction. The friction called into play when one body just slide over another body. Fourth, limiting friction. Fifth, the special shape of body due to which it experiences least fluid friction, streamlining. Sixth, the friction called into play when two bodies slide over one another at constant speed, sliding friction. First one is the in match the followings. You can see that first one is the friction, second one is the rolling friction, and the third one is the static friction, fourth one is the limiting friction, fifth one is the streamlining, sixth one is the sliding friction. So match the following, and multiple choice questions. This one you have to do in book only, and multiple choice question you have to do in book only, no need of write in copy, but fill in the blanks, statements and match the following you have to write in copy.